Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree, the fun way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today's lesson, we have two people that needed me to translate something for them. And I've also included 10 useful phrases that one might want to know in Tree. So let's start. The very first person that needed something translated was Kara, and these are the things that Kara wanted to know. The very first thing that Kara wanted to know was, I don't like it. Now that in Tree can be said as mimpe wei or mimpe ye. Again, mimpe wei or mimpe ye. One last time, mimpe wei or mimpe ye. And the next thing that Kara wanted to know was, I am going to bed. Now that in Tree can be said as mekoda. Again, mekoda. One last time, mekoda. And the last thing that Kara wanted to know was, I am going to the market. Now that in Tree can be said as mekodjem. Again, mekodjem. One last time, mekodjem. And the next person that needed something translated was Mark. Mark, thanks again for your continuous support. And these are the things that Mark wanted to know. The very first thing that Mark wanted to know was, we are going to miss you when you go to Ghana. And that in Tree can be said as, yebe feel se wuko Ghana. Again, yebe feel, which is we will miss you. Se wuko, when you go or if you go Ghana, which is go to Ghana. Again, yebe feel se wuko Ghana a. One last time, yebe feel se wuko Ghana a. And the next thing that Mark wanted to know was, please don't be strangers. And that in Tree can be said as me pao chow menya muhu ahuho. So remember, me pao chow is please, menya muhu is don't be, ahuho is strangers. So again, me pao chow menya muhu ahuho. So that's it for the translations. I just want to say thanks to Kara and thanks to Mark. I really appreciate all your support. So now let's start with the useful phrases. So the first phrase is, please don't hurt me. Now that in Tree can be said as me pao chow impra me. Remember, me pao chow is please, impra is don't hurt, pra is hurt. So when you put the n, it actually negates the whole thing. So again, me pao chow impra me. So one last time, me pao chow impra me. And the next phrase is, I am hungry. And that in Tree can be said as ekom dimi. Again, ekom dimi. Ekom is hunger. Dimi is basically a person is hungry. So again, ekom dimi. Now the third phrase is, how is the weather today? Right? Now that in Tree can be said as ewiem tisene or ewiem tisende. Ewiem, which is weather or sky. Tisene, which is how is the sky today or how is the weather today, roughly translated. So again, ewiem tisene. Now the next phrase is, it is not nice. Now that in Tree can be said as ye nyekama, or you can say enyekama. Again, we or ye nyekama, or you can roughly say enyekama. One last time, we or ye nyekama, or you can just say enyekama. The next phrase is, mother-in-law, please come here, which in Tree can be said as asil me paucho braha. So again, asil me paucho braha. And the next phrase is, I am going to buy. Now that in Tree can be said as mekoto. Again, mekoto. One last time, mekoto. And the next phrase is, how was your day? Now that in Tree can be said as nahuda noticing. Again, nahuda noticing. One last time, nahuda noticing. And a response to that would be na eyepa, which is it was very good. So again, na eyepa. One last time, na eyepa. Now the next phrase is, I am going to work. Now that in Tree can be said as meko ejuma. Again, meko ejuma. Remember, ejuma is work. Meko ejuma. One last time, meko ejuma. And the next phrase is, please give me some. Now that in Tree can be said as me pao chow mami bi. Again, me pao chow, which is please, mami bi is give me some. One last time, me pao chow mami bi. And the last phrase is come let's go. Now that in Twi can be said in two ways. You can either say bra yenko or bra mayenko. Again, bra yenko or bra mayenko. One last time, bra yenko or bra mayenko. Guys, that's it for this week's translation. I just want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you to all my old subscribers and my new subscribers. Guys, please keep on pushing the word, right? I'm hoping to get 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. I appreciate each and every one of you. And remember, guys, first of all, please do take care of yourself. And if you like the content of the channel, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button and please click on the bell button for future notifications. And remember, guys, please do go get the Twi Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn Twi quicker. And guys, one last thing, if you're interested in learning Ga language, right, please do go check out Ezekiel's channel. I'll put his link in the description section of this video, right? Please do go check it out. Please do support him. Well, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. See you next week. Bye.